Here we're going to talk about classification, the very start of B1. First thing to know that there are 5 kingdoms. Okay, you need to know what these 5 kingdoms are. The first one, Animalia, Plantae, Fungi, Protocista, and last one, Prokaryotes. Now, you need to be able to say the difference between them. So, the first thing you need to know is that these 3 are multicellular. They have many cells. You think an animal, a plant, lots of cells. These 2 are unicellular. They're made of one cell. Let's keep going with this. Plants undergo photosynthesis to get their food. Animals, we eat it, we call it heterotrophic. And fungi, they decay their food, they feed from dead matter. And we call this saprophytically. So they create their food saprophytically. Okay? The last thing we need to look at is the fact that these ones here have a nucleus and these ones here have no nucleus. Now you should be able to tell all the different parts of the kingdom apart. Let's take it a step further. So we start off with a kingdom, and let's take the animal kingdom. Okay. The next step down is called the phylum. And this we then break up with a keyword chordata. Now chordata means vertebrate. So has it got a backbone? Okay, so if it is part of this phylum, it will have a backbone. Now, there are 5 different groups, classes, which have a backbone. Let's look at those now. So we have mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish. Okay, now let's see the differences between these. Well, the first one is mammals are viviparous. This means they do not lay eggs. The rest are all oviparous. That means they lay eggs and their eggs hatch. So when they reproduce, mammals, we give birth to a live young. The rest have eggs hatching. Okay. The other thing we need to know is about thermoregulation. So how do we control the temperatures in our body? How do we control the heat in it? Well, mammals and birds are homeotherms. And that means they can regulate their own body temperature. Reptiles, amphibians, and fish are poikilotherms. This means they cannot regulate their body temperature. For example, reptiles use the sun. They'll soak up all the sun's heat. Okay? You could say mammals and birds are warm-blooded. We regulate that. These are cold-blooded. Thank you.